Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will tell you guys step by step how to apply for Housejob Experience Certificate from Pmdc for IMC registration. First of all, you will log into your Pmdc online account. If you don't have an account, you will create one by clicking on sign up. Here you will enter your details and then click on sign up. However, if you already have an account, you will click on login. Here you will enter your email address and then you will enter your password. So once you log into your Pmdc online account, here you will apply for Accreditation of Experience. Then you will click on continue. Next, you will enter certain details. Let's go through these carefully. In certificate type, you will select Housejob certificate. Your Pmdc registration number, name, father name, gender, CNIC number, and CNIC date of issuance will be filled automatically, and you cannot edit or add any of these things here. I encountered one problem here. My Pmdc registration number did not show up here and I was unable to add it here, as I said earlier that you cannot edit or add any of these details. So how to resolve this? For that, you will go to your home page. In your home page, here you will be able to see your name and you will click on your name. Then here you can edit or add these details. So I hope now you understand this. So now let's move forward. Next, you will enter your mobile number. Your email address will be filled automatically. Then you will enter your nationality and mailing address. After that, you will select country for which certificate is required. So you will select Ireland. In total number of Housejob accreditation, you will enter 4. That is equivalent of your Housejob rotations. Next, you will upload your picture and Pmdc registration certificate. Please note, you can upload these in JPEG, PNG or PDF form, and file size should not be more than 5 MB. Then you will click on save and continue. So next you will be able to see the summary of all the details that you entered. So then you will click on add Housejob accreditation. Before moving forward, if you think this video is helpful, do like this video and subscribe to my channel. It will motivate me to create more useful videos. So here you will add your Housejob details. You will enter your institute name and institute email address. For Nishtarians, when I applied for this, active email of Nishtar Hospital was vc@nmu.edu.pk. But I am not sure about these days. Next, you will enter rotation name. Please keep in mind, in your Housejob Experience Certificate, rotation name and spellings must exactly match the rotation name and spellings given by Medical Council of Ireland. I have given the link in the description from where you can get the name and spellings of Housejob rotations recommended by Medical Council of Ireland. Then you will select start date and end date of that rotation and upload Housejob certificate issued by your hospital. Next, you will fill details of second rotation. This way you will enter details of all 4 rotations. Then you will pay fee, which is 5,000 rupees. You can pay that via either credit or debit card, or you can pay through bank challan. So time duration for this is quite variable. If you are lucky enough, you may get certificate in 14 days, but average time is usually around 1 to 2 months. So this is all about how to apply for Housejob certificate from Pmdc. For epic verification, watch my videos on epic verification series.